Hello, today we will learn how we can transfer any kind of animation Genesis 8 animation to our Genesis 9 model, and we also can transfer our Genesis 9 animation to our Genesis 8 model by just one click. This is a pretty easy tutorial, and it's totally free and useful. We are using a plugin, and I give the link in the description. So let's begin. So today lesson is about the Dash Studio. I am recently give the video for Unreal Engine, but I think this method is useful for a Dash user and a Unreal user who use the Dash model in Unreal Engine and also use Dash model other purpose. So here we can see uh, I'm using the Victoria 9 SD character, and this is pretty good model. And there is a things in Genesis 9 model. It is the latest model of the Dash Studio, but the problem is uh, for the newer version of Dash model, we can't find lots, can't find our necessary asset for Genesis 9 model because it's not available uh, nowadays. It's not available, but in future it will be available. But for nowadays, uh, if we saw the Genesis 8 model, we have bunch of asset like animation, pose, and clothing here. Everything was more than Genesis 9 and accessible in the local marketplace and Dash marketplace. There is lots of asset about Genesis 8 character, but Genesis 9 character we have the latest model, but uh, the developer not give us the uh, necessary asset for it like animation and pose. So today we will learn how we can transfer the animation from Genesis 8 to Genesis 9 model. So this is will be easy. We are using a plugin. This is totally free. So first of all, we have to download the plugin. It's called Post Transfer. Okay, and it's a free, totally free plugin for any platform like Dash Studio, Dash Shop, Render State, Render Hub. Every in every platform, this is free. So first we have to extract it and copy this plugins folder, DL folder, DL file, sorry, DL file, and we have to paste it to our Dash Studio plugin file. Okay, so if we are going to program file, there is a Dash 3D, Dash Studio 4, and there also have a plugin folder. We are just paste it to there, to here. Okay, I'm already pasted, so I don't need it. Okay, this DL file will automatically, when you paste it here, it's automatically update your Dash Studio. Okay, so here you can see I have a window here called Post Transfer, but in default you don't have the window. You have to go to the window, and then you have to select the Post Transfer, and then you can add it to here. Okay, and now we need to transfer a animation. Okay, So I am transferring a Genesis 8 animation. I am transferring a Genesis 8 animation. This is called a dance. Okay, this is a dance animation, Deer V2. And if you saw this, if I double press it, you can see this is a hero because this is the Genesis 9 model, and this animation is for Genesis 8. So if I just use this animation, you can see this is awkward. So now we have to go starter content and go to figure, and we are just open a Genesis 8 female character here. You can see this is a Genesis 8 female character, and now we are going to this animation and we are open it to our Genesis 8 character. Okay, so if you double press it, you can see now it's work perfectly, you can see. So now this is easy. After you load the animation of your Genesis 8 female, you have to press Ctrl to your keyboard and select Victoria 9, your Genesis 9 character. Okay, and go to the post transfer window. You can see make it default. Okay, don't change anything, make it simple, and here is a transfer option, just click it and you can see, boom, this work totally fine. You can see if I hide my Genesis 8 character, you can see now it's work totally fine. You can see this is perfect. So you don't need to copy post, and you just load the animation to your Genesis 8 character, and then you just transfer it to your Genesis 9 character. And there is also a thing, you also can transfer Genesis 9 to Genesis 8 character. Okay, now let's see. If I just go to a Genesis 9 post here, like this post, I am loaded to my Genesis 9 character, you can see. But if I use it to my Genesis 8 character, you can see it's not work. So you can also transfer Genesis 9 to Genesis 8 character. So this is a pretty useful tools for Dash Studio, and it's totally free. And you can see here is option reverse, transfer to older Genesis. Okay, so we are just select it and transfer it, and you can see now we are also transfer Genesis 9 animation to Genesis 8 character. So this make your day perfect. So you can use any kind of animation of Genesis 8 model, you can use it to your Genesis 9 model. So that's it. If you like this video, if this video is help you, please subscribe my channel and support me, share this video to your friend. Thank you very much.